Hi there, my name is Audrey Emis and this is my Gold Award project. You might be wondering, what is the Gold Award? The Gold Award is the highest accomplishment a Girl Scout can receive, and it's basically an 80-hour community service project. So for my Gold Award, I'm choosing to create a science lesson plan, complete with 12 lessons, experiments, and self-made videos like the one you're watching. Let me show you more about my project. I'm going to go through the first couple slides of my presentation and show you what my Gold Award is all about. You can find this presentation on the SCARE website. So basically, this presentation consists of 3 subjects, biology, chemistry, and physics, and each has 4 lessons and 4 experiments. And here are the lesson plans. The 4 biology lessons, the 4 chem lessons, and the 4 physics lessons. Each subject has a title slide like this, and each subject has a pretest that you take before looking at the lessons. Don't stress about your score, just try your best. It's really important that you do the pretest and post-test. Today, we're learning about pendulums. That is an object held to a fixed support by a string. I'll draw it out for you. So there's our fixed point, our string, and our object. So the equation for a pendulum is t equals 2 pi times the square root of L over G. A lot of variables, but we'll break it down. So t represents the period of a pendulum. That's how long it takes for the object to go back and forth in one full swing. And that's measured in seconds. L represents the length of the string, usually in meters, and then G represents the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. It's important to notice how the mass and angle don't matter when calculating period, like they aren't involved in the equation. We'll explore this concept more right now. Okay, on to the experiment. For this experiment, you'll need string, some sort of scissors, I'm using these pliers with a sharp edge in the middle, and some objects, I'm using these metal rings. Now you're going to make a pendulum. I tied my string to a bar and the ring to a string to make something that looks like this. So now I'm going to show you a video of the pendulum swinging. The only difference between the 2 videos is that the one on the right has more weight. The length and the angle that I pulled the string to is the same for both. But notice how the period, or how long it takes for it to swing back and forth, is the same for both. Now I'll show you another set of videos, but this time instead of the mass being different, it's the angle that the string is pulled that's different. Notice how the period remains the same still. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you join us next time to watch our last video about moment of inertia.